To remove the wiper blade, start by lifting the wiper arm to the vertical position. Remove the worn wiper blade. Before lowering the wiper arm, place a cloth on your windshield to avoid damage. If your wiper blade includes the innovative wear indicator, remove the yellow sticker from the blade. Install your new wiper blade. Gently lower your newly installed wiper blade. Repeat previous steps to install your passenger side wiper blade. Test to ensure your new wiper blades are installed properly.